If you ever wondered which motorcycles mechanics trust enough to ride themselves, you're in the right place. These are the bikes that experts depend on for one simple reason: they just don't quit. Let's take a look at 7 motorcycles that even mechanics love to keep in their own garages. Number 7. The Yamaha V Star 250. When a mechanic wants something simple, dependable, and cheap to keep on the road, this little cruiser is often the first choice. The Yamaha V Star 250 has earned a quiet but solid reputation among riders and mechanics for being one of the most reliable lightweight cruisers ever built. It runs on a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine, and that alone makes it stand out, because very few entry-level bikes come with a genuine V-twin setup. It's smooth, easy to ride, and almost never complains, even after years of use. Mechanics love it for one reason: it's nearly impossible to kill. With a low seat height of around 27 inches, it's comfortable for shorter or older riders, and the lightweight makes it easy to maneuver anywhere. From city streets to weekend rides. Fuel economy is excellent too, so you're not just saving on repairs, you're saving on gas as well. Now, it's not made for speed or high-performance touring, but that's not what this bike is about. The V-Star 250 is about simplicity that lasts, a cruiser that keeps running when others demand attention. That's why many mechanics keep one around, not because they have to fix it, but because it simply works every single day. Number 6. The Suzuki SV650. Ask any mechanic what mid-size bike they trust the most, and chances are they'll say the SV650. This motorcycle has been around for decades, and its reputation for reliability is unmatched. Mechanics love it because it's simple, strong, and surprisingly fun to ride. The kind of bike that just keeps going, no matter how hard you ride it. At its heart sits a 645cc V-twin engine, smooth and responsive, yet incredibly low maintenance. It's the same engine design Suzuki has refined for years, earning it the nickname Bulletproof Twin. Many riders have clocked over 50,000 miles on an SV650 without any major repairs. And that's the kind of dependability even mechanics respect. The seat height of around 30.9 inches makes it approachable for most riders. And its comfortable ergonomics mean you can easily ride it all day. It's light, agile, and handles both commuting and touring duties without ever feeling complicated. Sure, it doesn't have fancy electronics or luxury features, but that's exactly why mechanics love it. Fewer parts mean fewer problems, and that's what keeps the SV650 running strong year after year. It's the kind of motorcycle that reminds you why you fell in love with riding. Reliable, versatile, and always ready to go. Number 5. The Honda CB500X. If there's one bike that perfectly balances comfort, reliability, and simplicity, it's the CB500X. Mechanics love this motorcycle because it's a machine that never complains. It just works, whether you're commuting through the city or exploring open highways. At its heart is a 471cc parallel twin engine, the same proven motor used across Honda's 500 series lineup. It's smooth, efficient, and easy to service, which means fewer visits to the workshop and more time on the road. Mechanics often say it's one of the most dependable engines Honda has ever built. The CB500X is designed for real-world comfort too. With a seat height of around 32.8 inches, upright ergonomics, and a forgiving suspension setup, it's built to handle long rides without tiring the rider. And because it's lightweight and well-balanced, it gives you that big bike feel without the stress that usually comes with it. Sure, it's not a high-performance adventure machine or packed with high-end electronics, but that's what makes it so reliable. Fewer parts, fewer problems. It's a bike designed to deliver steady power, solid comfort, and absolute peace of mind. That's why so many mechanics recommend and personally ride the Honda CB500X. It's one of those bikes that just never lets you down. Number 4. The Kawasaki Vulcan S. When mechanics want a cruiser that's comfortable, customizable, and low maintenance, the Vulcan S is usually at the top of their list. It's the kind of bike that fits almost any rider and still delivers that smooth, stress-free performance Kawasaki is known for. At its core sits a 649cc parallel twin engine, the same proven power plant used in the Ninja 650 and Versys. Engines that have earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Mechanics love it because it's predictable, durable, and easy to service. One thing that makes the Vulcan S special is its Ergo Fit system, which allows riders to adjust the seat, foot pegs, and handlebars for the perfect fit. That means whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, this bike can be tuned to suit you perfectly. A big reason why so many mechanics personally ride it. With a low seat height of around 27.7 inches and a low center of gravity, it's extremely easy to handle even for older riders. The ride is smooth, the clutch is light, and the power delivery is gentle yet confident, exactly what you want in a reliable everyday cruiser. Of course, it's not packed with luxury touring features, but that's not its goal. The Vulcan S is built for simple, confident, and low-stress riding. The kind of bike that never lets you down. That's why many mechanics keep a Vulcan S in their own garage. Because it's a cruiser they trust both to ride and to recommend. Number 3. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. When mechanics want a cruiser that combines old-school charm with modern reliability, the Super Meteor 650 is one of their top choices. Royal Enfield has come a long way in building engines that are simple, strong, and incredibly easy to maintain. And that's exactly why many mechanics personally trust this bike. At its heart is a 648cc parallel twin engine, refined, smooth, and built to last. It's not overcomplicated, just pure mechanical reliability. Mechanics appreciate how accessible every component is, making regular maintenance straightforward and affordable. The seat height of around 29.1 inches makes it comfortable for both tall and shorter riders, while the relaxed cruiser posture and wide handlebars keep you comfortable mile after mile. Add a bit of that classic Royal Enfield rumble, and it's a bike that feels good both to ride and to look after. Of course, it's not the lightest motorcycle out there, and high-speed touring isn't its strong suit. But for everyday cruising, weekend rides, and easy ownership, it's hard to beat. That's why many mechanics say the Super Meteor 650 is the kind of cruiser that feels just right. Simple, dependable, and built with purpose. Number 2. The Triumph Street Twin. When it comes to classic looks with modern dependability, the Street Twin, now known as the Speed Twin 900, is a mechanic's dream come true. It's the kind of bike that blends timeless British style with solid, low-maintenance engineering. Power comes from a 900cc parallel twin engine tuned for smooth, usable torque, rather than raw horsepower. It's easy to manage, fuel-efficient, and has a service-friendly design that mechanics love. Everything about this bike feels well-built, from the engine finish to the frame quality. It's made to last without needing constant adjustments. Comfort-wise, the seat height of around 30.8 inches and neutral riding posture make it suitable for all-day rides, whether you're commuting or heading out for a weekend cruise. It's the kind of bike that just feels right, comfortable, confident, and classic. Sure, it's not packed with high-tech features or aggressive power, but that's the beauty of it. The Street Twin focuses on what really matters: effortless performance, reliability, and that unmistakable Triumph character. It's no surprise that many mechanics keep a Street Twin in their personal collection. It's stylish, smooth, and simply built to be trusted. Number 1. The Honda Goldwing. If there's one motorcycle that mechanics around the world respect above all others, it's the Goldwing. This is the definition of long-term reliability. A bike built with such precision and balance that it rarely needs more than routine maintenance, even after decades of use. Underneath, it's powered by a 1833cc flat-six engine, one of the smoothest and most durable engines ever put on two wheels. Mechanics love it because everything about it is engineered to last. From the transmission to the electronics, every component feels overbuilt in the best possible way. The seat height of about 29.3 inches makes it comfortable for long-distance touring, while the plush seats, advanced suspension, and full wind protection turn hours of riding into pure relaxation. It's quiet, steady, and incredibly refined, the kind of motorcycle that feels effortless no matter how far you go. Sure, it's heavy and premium priced, but that's exactly why so many mechanics admire it. The Goldwing doesn't just perform, it endures. It's a machine they recommend, maintain, and often choose to ride themselves, because it simply never lets you down. For mechanics and riders alike, the Honda Goldwing isn't just a motorcycle, it's proof of how good engineering can make riding truly stress-free. Those were the bikes mechanics truly trust. Which one's your favorite? Tell us below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.